Sharing a meal builds connection, community, and hope. Sharing a menu? Not so much. Restaurants and bars need a simple way to protect guests and employees from the spread of COVID-19. Eliminating high-touch surfaces, such as menus, is essential for safely welcoming guests back to enjoy the dining experience. SpotMenus is the solution. SpotMenus is a digital menu platform designed to help restaurants and bars adhere to regulatory guidelines for operating safely. Menus can be uploaded easily through a straightforward user interface. You can even set schedules so different menus appear at different times of the day or week. SpotMenus offers unlimited menu uploads, unlimited QR code scans, and multi-location franchise support. When guests scan the QR code using their mobile device, they can view the menu instantly. No registration, no downloading, no fee, no ads, just the menu. SpotMenus is backed by BrandMuscle, and we understand the flexibility and speed to market required by the food and beverage industry, and are here to support establishments, distributors, and suppliers as they face new challenges. Get started creating digital menus that will keep your guests and employees safe. Join the SpotMenus network today.